All right, good afternoon, and thanks for having us on the Decoded Asia 2024, right? So my name is James. I'm a professor from NUS, right? So today I'm going to share one very interesting project currently we are incubating at NUS, right? Which is the CognideX, right? It's a decentralized open data marketplace, right? Leverage on the AI and blockchain technology, right? To help the data creators, right? To monetize your own data, right? And also link up the different silo data to create a better business insights to solve the real world problem, all right? And so basically the motivation for us to develop this CognideX platform is come from two problems we observe on the market, right? So the first problem, basically, we all know data, right, is very variable, right? Everybody talk about data is the new oil in the AI era, right? But unfortunately, actually, as a data creator, right? Many of us actually we are data creator, right? We are consumer. We created the data in a different platform, but we seldom get the monetary reward, right, from the data we created. Right? For example, we create the data in the social media, right, in the linking, in the X platform, right, and in the Facebook, right, we create the data in the e-commerce platform like Alibaba and Amazon, right. We also create the data for many banks, right, and for many healthcare organizations, right. And these organizations actually they use our own data, right, to generate a lot of business value, right. You can see how big is Amazon, right, and how big is Alibaba, right. And but unfortunately for these organizations, although they are using our data, right, to create a lot of business value, but they don't really have an effective mechanism, right, to contribute back or feedback this business value to the data creator like us, right? So that's why for the CognideX, we are trying to close this loop, right? We are trying to ensure, right, for the true data creator like everybody else, right? We are able to get the business benefit from the data we created, right? And so the second problem we observe actually right now, many data are used in silo. Okay, for example, you can get a HR or recruitment consulting report from LinkedIn, right? But this is mainly generated by the data in LinkedIn, right? You can get an e-commerce report from Alibaba or from Amazon, right? Again, these data are mainly created by the data owned by Alibaba or Amazon, right? So, but we all know, because I'm doing the AI research for many years, right? We all know if you are able to connecting the data together, we can create a better value, right? For example, let's say you like to recommend an insurance product to somebody. If you are able to connecting your healthcare data, you're able to connecting the linking data, or you can connecting some e-commerce data, right? The purchasing behavior, right? If you can connecting these data together, we can get a better business insight, all right? So for us, for the CognideX, actually, we focus on solving these two problems, right? So that's why for my team, actually, we have already done the research in the AI and the blockchain area in the past 10 years. Okay, so we leverage on the past 10 years research experience to build this CognideX platform, right? Although we just built this platform recently, right, to trying to solve the two problems I mentioned early on, right? The data creators, they cannot get the business reward from the data they created, right? And there's many silo data on the market, right? So for us, the CognideX platform, right? There's three major where's the point? Okay, yeah. So, right. So there's three major features actually in the CognideX platform, right? The first one, we leverage on the AI and blockchain technology, right, to ensure the personal data quality before you're uploading your data to the CognideX platform, right? And also after you upload your data to the CognideX platform, we are able to protect your data privacy. Right? My team did a lot of things in the data privacy protection and the privacy preserving computation area. So we are able to help you to protect your data privacy better, right? And so the second part, basically, we leverage on this decentralized marketplace to help you to monetize your own personal data. All right. So we will use the blockchain technology to build incentive mechanism, right, to incentivize the people to contribute their data to the platform, right? And more importantly, right? So we also leverage on a smart contract. If your data is used in create some business value, right, and the business value can feed back to you, right, fairly, right, automatically through the smart contract, right? Of course, we also leverage on the AI technology, right, to evaluate, right, how much your data valued, right? Is it your data valued as $1,000 or $2,000, and why, right? So we have some AI technology to help on this part, okay? And that on the third part, basically, we leverage on the Listen generative AI framework, right? That basically is Gen AI agent framework, and to automatically to connecting the silo data together, right? To create insight to solve your business problem, right? For example, just now mentioned, if you are an insurance agent, right? You would like to sell your insurance product maybe to Singapore market. You can log in the CognideX platform, right? And it's just to tell this platform, all right, I'm an insurance agent. I have this wonderful life insurance product, right? And the product character is like this A, B, C, D, right? How can I sell this product better in the Singapore market? Basically, the CognideX platform, they are able to understand what you're trying to do, your business objective, right? Because we powered by the large language model, right? And that we analyze your product based on your product description, and then we automatically to find out the data on the platform and connecting this data, right, from the different channel, right, from the linking and from the data you uploaded from maybe Shopee, or the data you uploaded from, maybe your hospital healthcare record, etc., right? And then we link up this data and create the insight automatically, right? In the end, we will tell you, all right, so for your wonderful healthcare product, if you want to sell to Singapore market, potentially, right, this specific segment, right, maybe is the people from 20 to 30 years old and working in the high-tech industry, all right? And then they may be potentially, they are interested in your product, right? If you want to sell this product to them, you can follow this marketing, activity 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then, of course, our platform can also help you to do the targeted marketing events, etc., right? So in short, you can see basically the CognideX platform is built on top of a blockchain and AI technology, right? And also powered by the proprietary privacy-preserving computation technology, right? We developed that at NUS, right, to help you to protect your data privacy better, right? So basically, the data and AI market is huge, right? Everybody knows this is a huge market. And this is some data from the recent McKinsey report, right? I'm not going to details of this, but everybody knows the data and the AI market is a huge market, right? So basically, right now, we start to develop this cognitive data platform recently, although we have done research in the AI and the blockchain in the past 10 years, right? So we developed this platform recently, and we already have some feature available online, including like the use case centric data search, right? And also, the incentive layer already built that, right? And also, the Gen AI probably can help you to automate insights from connecting the different data silo, right? So I would like to play a short demo for you to understand our platform a little bit more.
Welcome to the CognideX website demonstration. First, let's explore CognideX's unique use case-centric data search. Click on the Find Data tab to see how it works. You'll find a chat powered by a large language model which helps you navigate through vast data sources to find the right data set for your specific needs. Let's try one of the chat's suggestions and search for data sets to build a recommendation system using e-commerce data. As you can see, the AI chat has pulled up a list of e-commerce and retail datasets. Now, let's say you are a wine seller who wants to build a wine rating system. Simply tell the chat what you need. The AI chat successfully finds datasets tailored to your specific use case. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, CognideX also offers a categories tab for keyword searches. You can even discover trending datasets, giving you insights into industry trends and hot topics. Now let's move on to another exciting feature of CognideX, the data pool. Users can monetize their personal data downloaded from platforms like LinkedIn, Netflix, TikTok, Spotify, and YouTube by contributing it to the data pool. Here's how you can do it with LinkedIn data. First, download your LinkedIn personal data by following the provided steps. A quick look at the other tabs shows users' contributions, where you can see analytics performed by data analysts using the pooled data available for purchase. The Analytics tab provides insights into the data pool, such as contribution and price trends over time, while the Activity tab keeps data trade transactions transparent. Now let's upload your LinkedIn data under the Upload tab. Once uploaded, our LLM model will verify the data's authenticity and quality while masking personally identifiable information for security. After the quality check, you will receive a score for your contribution and your reward. Rewards come in CGDX, CognideX's cryptocurrency token, which you can easily access by connecting to Subwallet.
All right, from this short demo, you can see basically the backbone of our CognideX platform, right, is AI and blockchain I mentioned earlier on, right? So we leverage on the AI technology, right, specific the large language model, right, to ensure the data quality before you are loading the data to a CognideX platform, right? Because as an AI researcher, we well know, right, if you're building your AI model, no matter how good is your model, right, if your data quality is not good, unlikely you will get a good outcome, right? So that's why we put a lot of effort to ensure, right, we are able to get a high quality onboarding on the platform, right? And also, we developed the proprietary privacy-preserving computation technology, right, to ensure to protect your data privacy better, right? Because data privacy is a top consideration for us to build this kind of a personal data platform, right? And thirdly, basically, we use the AI technology, right, specifically for the data watermarking technology to help you to claim your data ownership, right? Once you upload your data, we'll add a watermark on your data to ensure, right, you are the true owner of this data, basically, right? And we also leverage on the, the large language model capability to build this use case-centric data set search, which is different from the traditional keyword search, right? Because in here, just now you see actually, you can describe your use case, right? For example, you want to build a wide rating system, right? And that you can describe this on our platform. And then the platform can help you to automatically to find out the right data set, which are able to use to train your, the AI rating system for the wide industry, etc., right? And we also leverage on this Gen AI agent framework, right, to automatically to connecting the data, which is the user they upload to the platform, right? You can upload your linking data, you can upload your, Amazon data, right? You can upload your YouTube data or your healthcare data, etc. And this Gen AI agent, right, and able to connecting this data together to generate a useful insight for you, right? And also from the blockchain perspective, right, we actually leverage on the blockchain technology, and of course together with the data watermarking technology, right, to help to check and change your data lifecycle, right, from your data creator, we will add the ownership, right, the data watermarking to your data, right, and then for your data used by the different user, right, in the different use case, we're checking and adding this record to the blockchain, ensure we are able to check and change your lifecycle for your data, right, from created, used by different people. So this will be very useful to protect your data ownership, right, security and the privacy better, right? Of course, we also leverage on the experience from the Web3 and the blockchain community to build an incentive layer, right, to encourage, right, to incentivize the people to contribute their data on the platform, right, to solve the cold start problem, and also build a token economic, right, the mechanism to ensure the different players on the platform, right, no matter you are data seller, you are data buyer, or you are business analytics expert, or you are business user, right? Everybody contribute to the platform. You will get your, the rewards fairly, right? And based on, what kind of business problem you are solving, right? And we would like to also learn something, right, from the DAO community. Maybe in the future, we'll run this CognideX platform based on the DAO structure, right? So basically, for the CognideX platform, the business model, our future revenue will come from two, different channels. And firstly is the commission model. This is very similar as a lot of a data trading platform, right? And basically, for whatever data set trading happen on the CognideX platform, we'll take a percentage cut, right? Maybe like a 2%, as a revenue sharing, right? And secondly, basically, we will also build this business insight service, right? Just now we mentioned we use a Gen AI agent, right, to automatically connecting the data, right, to help the business users to solve their problem, right? So that the business user, they can subscribe to the platform, right, and that will charge for a subscription fee, right? So basically, we believe the CognideX platform will play a very important role in the future AI and the Web3 community, right? We are not a traditional data marketplace, right? We leverage a lot of AI capability to ensure this data marketplace have a high quality data, right? And we ensure the data, they are not siloed, they can connect with each other and to build a business insight, right? And this platform can be used by the data seller, right? And can also use by the business user, which you have any business problem, you can come, right? And just like you interact with ChatGPT to tell your business problem, and that we are able to connecting the right data to give you the insight, right? So basically for the team working for the CognideX platform, right? So we are professionals come from the AI and the blockchain community, right? We work in this area for many years, right? We know the technology and the market well enough, right? So basically, we also did a lot of world-class research in the AI and the blockchain area, right? So we published high-quality papers in many top AI conference like ICML, ICLR, right? CVPR, this is the top AI conference, right? So we also basically already found a few patents, right? In the large language model and the blockchain area, right, to protect our proprietary IPs, right? So ensure we are able to build something unique on the market and protect our rights, etc. Right? So basically right now, for the CognideX platform, we are still in the early stage, right? We are welcome any collaboration from any one of you if you're interested, right? And also the investors, if you are interested to work with us, right, to bring this further, we are happy to discuss with you, right? Again, thank you all for having us in this Decoded Asia event, right? And have a good day. Thank you.